Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 4. In today's video, we are going to revise lesson number 12, the solar system. Okay? At the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe what is solar system. You will be able to differentiate between planets and stars. You will be able to discuss about the natural satellites of Earth and can explain the formation of day and night and the changing of seasons. Okay? Let's start our lesson. We live on a very big planet called Earth. Okay, children, we live on the Earth. Earth is a planet, very big planet, which gets its light and heat from the sun. See, in the solar system, the position of Earth is third position. So all the planets, they get light and heat from the sun. The main source of light, heat and energy for all the planets is sun. Okay, so Earth on which we are living, it gets light and heat from the sun. Earth goes around the sun in a nearly circular path. So Earth revolves around the sun. Earth moves around the sun. Okay. Nearly it will be circular path, but it is actually the elliptical path. Okay. In fact, there are 8 planets going around the sun. The sun has a family known as the solar system. Let us study more about it. Here, not only Earth is revolving around the sun, but all the planets in our solar system, all 8 planets are revolving around the sun. So this is called the sun's family. Here head of this family is sun and 8 planets are revolving around it. The sun has a family known as solar system. Let us study about this. The solar system. The sun and all the objects that travel around it make up our solar system. The sun and all the objects that travel around it make up the solar system. The sun is at the center of the solar system. It is a star that gives out heat and light. It is the main source of energy in the entire solar system. See, what is the property of star? Star gives its own light. Star gives its own heat and light. Okay? So, sun is a star that gives out heat and light. It is the main source of energy in the entire solar system. For a whole solar system, the source of energy is sun only. Okay? The heavenly bodies revolving around the sun include the 8 planets. The heavenly bodies revolving around the sun include the 8 planets. So, whatever the things are revolving around the sun. See children, when we see the night sky, we can see many objects on the sky like planets, stars, dust particles, clouds, ice particles, many things, meteors, asteroids, and the ball of gases. These all things are revolving around the sun. So these all are called heavenly bodies. The objects which we can see on the sky, they all are called heavenly bodies or celestial bodies. Okay, a planet is a large spherical object that revolves around a star. So as we have seen, many objects are revolving around the sun as meteoroids, asteroids, dust particles, rock particles, many things are revolving. So in these objects, these all objects are called heavenly bodies. In these heavenly bodies, the large spherical objects which are revolving around the sun, they are called planets. Okay, so here you can see 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So what is the shape of these all planets? It is round and spherical. They all are round and spherical. So these round and spherical objects which revolve around the sun, means that sun is star, they are called planets. They are revolving around the sun. Sun is a star and these all are planets. Okay. They receive light from their star. These all planets, they get heat and light from their star sun. They receive light from their star. When planets reflect this light from the star, they appear shiny. So when these when these planets are reflecting light, when these planets are getting light, they reflect it. So that's why they look shiny on the sky. They appear shiny on the night sky. Understood, children? Why all the things look shiny on the sky, in the night sky? Because all these objects are getting light and heat from the sun and they are reflecting. So this is the reflection of sunlight which we see in the form of shining stars on the sky. Okay? The 8 planets in the solar system outward from the sun are, the 8 planets outwards from the sun, they are according to the distance from the sun. First is Mercury, then Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, total 8 planets. According to the distance, their arrangement is in this way. Some of the planets have one or more natural satellites called moons. So these planets will be, some planets will be having their natural satellite. They like their companion, that is called their moons. So how the moons will be? They will be revolving around the planet, and this planet will be revolving around the sun. So the natural satellite which is there with the planet, that is their natural satellite. It is their moon. So some planets are having their own moons. Some planets are having one moon, some planets are having more than 10 moons, or some are having 62 moons, 48 moons, different number of moons these planets are having. But our planet Earth is having only one moon. That is natural satellite. It is the natural companion of Earth. And that's why we can see the moon on the sky. It looks like it is very near to the Earth, because it is Earth's companion, it is Earth's natural satellite. That's why we can see the moon clearly on the sky. For other moons which are there with the Jupiter, with the Saturn, which other moons are there, that one we cannot see, because they are very far from our Earth. Okay. So a natural satellite is a heavenly body which revolves around a planet. What is a natural satellite? It's a heavenly body which revolves around a planet. Remember, which is revolving around the planet, that is natural satellite. And the things which are revolving around the sun, which are round and spherical shape, they are planets. And the sun is a star which gives its own heat and light. Understood, children? The difference between the star, planet and natural satellites. Okay. The planets of our solar system can be divided into 2 groups. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are 4 inner planets. They are mostly made up of rocks. So they are called terrestrial planets or rocky planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the 4 outer planets. They are massive gas planets. They are called gas giants. So remember this, children. 4 are inner planets and 4 are outer planets in our solar system. Which 4 are inner planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. They are inner planets because they are made by the rocky surfaces there, so they are called terrestrial planet. And outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. They have massive gas planets. They are called gas giants. Okay, children, that's it for today's video. In the next video, we will see in detail all the planets, their moons and their duration of day. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.